The railways are building. For the time, with British Railways, are the most powerful transports in all of UK. These are railway tales. Based on a television series directed by Britt Allcroft. And the railway series by Reverend Wilbur Audrey. There are many different kinds of rail gauges. Standard gauge, which our good friend Jack runs on. Miniature gauge, which miniature engines run on. And finally, narrow gauge. The narrow gauge engines who run the line are very cheerful. One was called Carloa. He was the oldest engine, and was very tired. He retired to the shed. So his good friend Joey had to run the line. So Carl retired to his sheds, sleeping. Soon the work got too much for just one engine, so they need two other engines. A starting to become competitive company wanted to beat out the Carlow Railway, but sadly closed due to having a short capacity of customers, mainly going over to the Carlow Railway. Soon the two engines who used to run it came to the railway. "What is this?" said one engine. His name was Loggy. "This is not a railway, it's a shack." "I quite like it," said the other engine. "It's kind of suiting." No, this won't do at all," said the other. "Who's that engine? It looks like he's ancient, cabless and all." "Shh! That's the famous Carlo, the one who ran the railway for 10 years by himself." "Ah, pity, pity, Lenny. Pity. He's a nice engine, I hear." Yes, whatever. It's not like the shed could collapse with all of its might." "Oh, goodness me! See, you've woken him up. Great, now you've done it, Luggy. Said Lenny. Oh, no, it's fine, really. You're new." I'm sorry, I haven't introduced myself. My name is Carlo. Nice to meet you. My name is Lenny, and this here who woke you up is Luggy. Hey! Who's that?" "Oh, that's Joey." he's been running the railway, but he's resting as well. Ah, that makes sense. Now, if you excuse me, I might go to sleep. Thank you very much. Okay, said Lenny. I can't believe you. What? I just tried to be friendly. Ha ha, very funny, Luggy. Hello, you two. What are your names? Hello, sir. My name is Luggy. And your name? My name is, he said shyly. Lenny. Well, nice to meet you, Luggy and Lenny. Ugh, do you know why this shed is so pretty? Luggy, I'm sorry. What I said what? Yes, the shed is like a shack. What? said Carlo. This shed isn't a shack. I run this. I've been trying to construct it forever. Yeah, said Luggy. Anyways, Luggy, you'll be taking us stop in the passenger train. Yes, sir. Luggy soon found some coaches and hooked up to them. Come on, you lot. Time to go on a ride. Oh, do be careful. Luggy wasn't listening. Come on. Oh, we'll pay him out, said the coaches. We'll pay him out. They don't even that engine doesn't even know how to respect old ladies. How rude, the coaches were complaining. Luggy soon made it to the transfer station. There a really big diesel came with two bright, beautiful coaches right behind him. Hello! Oh, I see you're an express engine. So am I, but I prefer better well-tamed coaches, like yours. Yes, said Pam for a lost of words. Oh, pity. We do need to chat, said Luggy. Cheerio! And the small engine left, leaving Spam at a loss for words. Luggy was soon approaching the incline. The incline was the hardest part of the railway. All the engines had to put all speed into the incline so they could. Stopping passenger trains are actually express trains, so they had to go really fast on the incline. But the coaches saw their opportunity. Brake, said the coaches. Brake. So the coaches braked really hard, and Luggy was tugging. Ah, come on, said Luggy. I can do it. He said. He was saying. Soon, snap! The brake pipe on the brake coach broke. Oh, come on, he said. Lenny was soon sent to become the brake car. Oh, hello there. Luggy didn't want to notice. Let's go. They soon made it to their destination, and the coaches were soon punished. They were soon punished. I can't believe you, coaches. These are our new engines, and you have to treat them well. The coaches didn't say anything. Me too. If you keep acting like that, I shall not be giving you a leave payment. The coach still didn't say anything. Luggy was thinking he was getting enjoyment. As for you, Luggy, you shall stop with your your express trains and shall pull goods trains. Do I make myself clear? Yes, sir. I'll do better next time, sir. I think lugging learns less about handling coaches. Don't you?